A couple units right here. We got Goodman, ICP, Lennox. I can't tell if these are heat pumps or not. Now let's see here. Yeah, no, this one's a heat pump. I see the reversing valve down there. Nice. Another Goodman. This is a 4-ton from 2021.
Over there, it's a Lennox. Look at the logo on it.
Yeah, I saw.
Where the date is
Not exactly easy to get past here. There's another Lennox right here. This one's a value. Copeland scroll on it. Data right there. Oh no, it doesn't have a data sheet anymore. Here's a York air conditioner. Or no, they're heat pumps.
We're air conditioner enthusiasts.
LG.
LG scroll? Huh?
Yeah, it has an LG. Oh, 2007 4-ton. I don't think any of these Lennox value series units have the full data sheet,
that one, I'm just barely.
but I'm pretty sure they're all from 2007.
Yeah, that's when the building was built. I looked it up. The building was indeed built in 2007.
Let's see, does this one have it? No. So they're all 4-ton from 2007. We got a GMC Goodman unit right here. This is a 4-ton from 2013 Copeland scroll compressor. I think these all have Copeland scrolls. Most anyway. This one's a 5-ton from 2012, 13 SEER. Got Payne. This one's a 2011 2.5-ton. Also a 13 SEER. There's a mini split right here. Oh, I don't think I've ever heard of that brand. There's a data sheet.
That wraps it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.